Good morning, students. Welcome to PVDG Girls Hayatnagar. So, congratulations to all. You are joined in PVDG Girls Hayatnagar. So, this is Kumar, physics lecturer. So, today we are going to explain introduction class. So in your 10th class you studied physical science. In that physical science, physics and chemistry both you learned. In intermediate, physics is learned separately. Okay. So what is called physics? What is called physics? Physics is a branch of science. Physics is a branch of science. So the physics word came from physis, P-H-Y-S-I-S, physis is a Greek word. What is the meaning of physis? It is a natural development of nature. Natural development of nature. Physics expresses the natural development of nature. It can explain natural things, natural development. It can explain energy, the relation between energy and mass. The relation between energy and mass. Okay. So physics is one of the branch of science. It is the most important one. It can deal or explain the natural development of the nature, and also explain the relation between mass and energy. The physics having so many branches. Mechanics and waves and oscillations, thermodynamics, optics, okay, electricity and magnetism, modern physics. So many branches are available in physics. Okay. So in that physics, first of all, we can explain the term physical quantity. What is called a physical quantity? In our physics, so many terms are available like mass, length, time, velocity, force, work, and energy, and so on, so on. So many terms are available. What is called physical quantity? So these are all called as physical quantities. How to define physical quantity? So physical quantity is defined as you can measure directly or indirectly. Or express in terms the laws of physics. The laws of physics expressed in the terms that is called as physical quantity. Simply said, it can measure directly or indirectly. It can express in the terms of number that is called as a physical quantity. The physical quantity obeys physics laws. That is called as physical quantity. So physical quantities are mainly classified into two types. First one is fundamental quantities, and second one is called derived quantities. So physical quantities are mainly classified into two types. First one is fundamental quantities, and second one is derived quantities. What is called fundamental quantity? Which quantities doesn't depend on other quantities. Which quantities does not depend on other quantities. Such type of quantities are said to be fundamental quantities. So the fundamental quantities, example, mass, length, time. So these are the fundamental quantities. Mass does not depend on other quantities. We can measure directly. Length also measure directly. It is a fundamental quantity. Time also measure directly. It is a fundamental quantity. So fundamental quantity means which quantities are does not depend on other quantities. Such quantities are called as fundamental quantities. And next one is derived quantities. So, which quantities are derived from fundamental quantities? Which quantities are derived from fundamental quantities? That is called as derived quantities. The derived quantities examples, so many is there. Okay. So, force, velocity, acceleration, and density. So many things are there. Density. Okay. Other than fundamental quantities, remaining quantities are said to be derived quantities. Okay. So which quantities are derived from fundamental quantities? That is called as derived quantities. So derived quantities are velocity and acceleration, density, force, work, energy. So these are all called as derived quantities. So derived quantities. So actually the fundamental quantities are, first introducing the fundamental quantities are 7 quantities are called the fundamental quantities. First one is mass. Second one is length, and third one is time, and fourth one is current electricity, and fifth one is thermodynamic temperature, thermodynamic temperature. So intensity of light, and seventh one is amount of substance. So these 7 quantities are called fundamental quantities. These 7 quantities does not depend on other quantities. So these are called fundamental quantities. Except these 7, remaining all quantities are said to be derived quantities. So what is called derived quantities? The which quantities are derived from fundamental quantities is called as derived quantities. So the fundamental quantities are how many types? 7 types. What are they? Mass, length, time, and electricity, temperature, intensity of light, amount of substance. Mass is measured in kgs. So mass measured in kgs. Length measured in meters, and time measured in seconds. And electricity, current electricity is measured in amperes. Temperature measured in Kelvin. Intensity of light, candela. Intensity of light measured in candela. Amount of substance measured in mole. Okay, mass measured in kgs. SI unit of mass. These are the SI units. Mass measured in kg. Length measured in meter. Time measured in second. Current electricity is measured in ampere. Temperature is measured in Kelvin. Intensity of light, candela. Amount of substance measured in mole. These 7 quantities are called as fundamental quantities. So remaining quantities are said to be derived quantities. So according to SI units, so the physical quantities are classified into 3 types. First one is fundamental quantities. These are called fundamental quantities. Second one is derived quantities. So derived quantities. Third one is supplementary quantities. So these are called supplementary quantities. Okay. According to SI units, the physical quantities are mainly classified into 3 types: fundamental quantities, derived quantities, and supplementary quantities. Supplementary quantities are 2 types. One is plane angle. Second one is solid angle. So 2 types: plane angle and solid angle. Plane angle measured in radian. Solid angle measured in steradian. Okay, this is called fundamental quantities. Okay, so the physical quantity which are measured directly or indirectly, and it can be expressed in the terms of physics laws, that is called as physical quantities. The physical quantities are mainly classified into three types: fundamental quantities, derived quantities, supplementary quantities. Fundamental quantities are seven: mass, length, time, current, temperature, intensity of light, amount of substance. Okay, and the derived quantities, so which are derived from fundamental quantities, is called as derived quantities. Example: velocity, force, work, energy, density, so on, so on, so on. So many are there. Supplementary quantities. Supplementary quantities are two types: plane angle and solid angle. Plane angle measured in radian, solid angle measured in steradian. Okay, thank you.